Want to grow your audience and boost sales? GoHighLevel gives you everything you need to build an email list fast. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by creating a simple funnel offering a freebie like an ebook, template, or checklist. Add an opt-in form that captures names and emails directly into GoHighLevel. Next, set up an automation so when someone signs up, they're instantly added to your list, tagged, and sent a welcome email with their free resource. Build an email sequence that delivers value over time. Share tips, case studies, or success stories to keep your audience engaged and ready to buy. Also use tags to segment subscribers by interest, behavior, or stage in the funnel. This makes your campaign more targeted and boosts open and click-through rates. Now, check your analytics to see how many people are signing up, which emails performing best, and where you can improve your funnel for faster growth. That's how you build an email list using GoHighLevel. Capture leads, nurture them, and turn your list into loyal buyers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.